Hello, everybody. This is King Tut and Queen's Dog Park Adventure. We are down in Centerville, Bill's Dog Park in Ohio. This is the one side that is open. Yes, nobody's here right now. Just changing of the dogs. We just passed a couple coming in. We were out working in the area and decided to stop on in and see how it is. They have water. They have little bowls set up for the doggies. And you can see there's a little bit of shade for the two-leggeds. They have a nice little area set up. And then over across yonder, which you can't really see right now, is another little area. Not too bad at all. The kids seem to be enjoying themselves so far, and that's what counts. Y'all have a great day. Come check out this park in Centerville, Ohio. Have a good one. Bye.